Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to talk about how to add an age disclaimer to your Wix site. There are actually two ways we can do this. The first one is to create a lightbox, and the second option is to create a landing page. So let's get started. Number one, creating a lightbox. First of all, what is a lightbox? A lightbox is a kind of pop-up that appears on your website upon trigger to show information. It could be an announcement, a promotion, or in this case, an age disclaimer. To add a lightbox to your site, click on the plus button and click on Interactive. Go to Promotion and select a lightbox pattern or template, that you'd like to use. For example, this one. Next, customize your lightbox however you want. You can remove elements or add new elements. Just remember to drag your selected elements and properly place it on the lightbox. Only drop it when you see the attached to lightbox message. I'm just going to customize this lightbox in a bit. Okay, now that our disclaimer is ready, we're going to continue. Oh, I forgot to mention that when you edit elements within the lightbox, you'll be entering the lightbox mode. That way you'll be able to customize your lightbox and you'll also be able to attach the elements you add to the lightbox. If you want to go back to the editor, just simply click on the exit lightbox mode. But just a disclaimer, if you click on exit, your lightbox will possibly not be saved. So make sure you finish editing and customizing and setting up your lightbox first before going back to the editor. So now that our lightbox is ready, we're going to set its trigger. So to do so, just follow these steps. Go to Pages and Menu and click on Lightboxes. Click on the relevant lightbox. Click on this three-dot icon and click on Settings, and you'll be able to see this window. So what's the lightbox's name? Rename it to however you want to name it. I'm just going to put here Age Disclaimer. And choose whether you'd like to automatically display Lightbox on pages, and that's going to be a yes. Which page is it on? Click on it and select Home over here. Or you can also click on the first page your visitor sees. Depends on your preferences. And choose a delay. Would you like it to have a delay of 2 seconds or more or less? You can also set these up below according to your needs and preferences. And once you're done, you can close this and click on Save. Now let's try to preview it and see if it works. So click on Preview. And there you go. Everything has been blurred out and all you see is the disclaimer. Let's try if it works on the other pages just as we set up. Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't because it only works on the first time a visitor visits your site. So yeah. And it worked. So let's go back to the editor and talk about the second option now. So the second option is to create a landing page. So to do that, we're going to go to the Pages and Menu button once again, and then click on Site Menu and Add Page. Click on a landing page template or add a blank page, depends on your preference. I'm just going to add a blank page. So a blank page has been added. We're going to input our landing page's name over here. So I'm just going to say landing page. And let's click on Done. Now click on the three-dot button next to it, and from the drop-down, select Set as Homepage. Click on the three-dot button once again, and this time select Settings from the drop-down. Click on the Layouts tab and select No Header and Footer, because this is going to be an age disclaimer page. So there's going to be no need for other items. Now we can exit this and start designing our age disclaimer over here. So I'm just going to add a text element. So I'm just going to customize this for a bit, and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, there we go. So we've finished creating a simple disclaimer over here. Now it's time for us to set this up. Oh, we actually forgot one thing, and that is a button. So we're going to add a button. Let's just choose a simple one. And we're going to customize what it says. Say continue. And there we go. And then we're going to click on this hyperlink button over here and make sure that page over here is selected. Which page? That will be the home page, the real home page. So after they click on that button, that means they agree. So they're going to be redirected to the real home page of our website, not the landing page that we set as home page earlier. The reason why we did that is because it has to first appear to visitors. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. And we're going to click on Done.